In this video, I'll show you the differences between brake discs from popular manufacturers. Hey everyone! After measuring the thickness of my front brake discs in my car, it became clear that it was time to replace them. So, I bought TEXTAR discs and, for comparison, I'll show you another popular brand, TRW. First, let's take a look at how the brake discs look, how they're packaged, and what they are made of. Here are the TEXTAR discs packaged like this. There's a small brochure in the box stating that you shouldn't remove the special compound applied to the brake disc. And then I take out the brake discs themselves. As you can see, they're ventilated and installed on the front wheels. There's a cardboard piece between the discs, and there's nothing else in the box besides that. The discs themselves are wrapped in plastic. I removed the plastic and noticed that the disc is poorly machined and there are metal shavings. Very strange, I've never noticed this before. Next, I try to find the engraving indicating that this is a disc from this brand. I found the TEXTAR inscription on the edge of the disc, and here are the permissible wear dimensions. Visually, the discs resemble those I installed on the rear wheels. I also had TEXTAR there. And now, out of curiosity, let's look at TRW discs. I open the box, and I already see the part number here. Not bad. I think if it were a fake, no one would bother with the packaging like this. There's also a brochure inside, actually. It's an instruction manual for replacing brake discs. This information will be useful for those who are replacing discs for the first time. Then the discs are wrapped in this paper, and now take a look at their surface. Firstly, a part of the disc is painted, which means the material will rust less. And secondly, the disc is made of some other alloy and visually has a darker color. For comparison, look at the same TEXTAR discs which are currently on my car. As you can see, the unpainted surface has already started to rust. In this regard, I prefer TRW discs over TEXTAR. And of course, let's find the engraving on the TRW discs. I lifted the discs and found the TRW inscription, part number, and wear tolerances. And look at the metal of the TRW disc. Its color is darker compared to the disc from TEXTAR. Write in the comments what you think about these brands and which discs you prefer. See you soon in the next videos. Bye!